Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and if you're watching this video then I am sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern or password lock, and you have tried a lots of video on the different platform like YouTube and other streaming platform, but still now you're not success to unlock your smartphone. That's why you're watching this video. So don't worry at all, you are at the right place. At the end of this video your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, but you will have to watch the every step what I'm going to give you in this video properly, and you will have to follow all the step properly. Only then your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But if you don't want to lose your smartphone data, then you will have to charge your phone at least 30%. Otherwise you will lose all the data of your smartphone. Okay, so before starting this phone you will have to charge your phone at least 30%, or you may also use your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay, so let's start this method. This method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly you will have to switch your phones on airplane mode, and if your phone is not showing airplane mode option, so simply you will have to eject your smartphone SIM card from your smartphone before starting this method. Okay, so you can see here I have ejected my SIM card. So after this I am getting an option of airplane mode, so simply I am also going to activate my phone's airplane mode. Now you can see here all the network has been switched off of my smartphone. Okay, now after this simply you will have to slide your phone upside. You will get an option of emergency call option. You can see here simply you will have to click on this emergency call option, and you will get a such type of dialing pad. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page, and it's also known as engineers mode page. Okay, and this USSD code, before feeding this USSD code you will have to feed some special codes to close all the background running application of your smartphone, because it's most important to close all the background running application before going with this method. And this special code to close all the background running application what I am going to give you, you will have to feed here. Just a minute. And this USSD code is star has 000 then star 9678 star 45200 and then hash. After feeding this number you will have to simply call on this number, and at the first time when you will call on this number you will get a pop-up of call failed. So don't worry at all, your phone's all the background running application has been closed. Okay, simply you will have to click on this OK button and clear your call log like this. Now after this I am going to give you a special code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking or engineers mode page, and this USSD code is star hash 899 and hash. Okay, now when you will feed this USSD code you will reach to a new page, and the page name is, you can see here, engineers mode page. Okay, you will get a lots of options, but you will have to go with the option of a software version. Simply you will have to click on this, just a minute, software version option. Okay, it will show your phone's model number and your Android version number. You can see here my Android version number is 12. Maybe possible your Android version number would be 11 or 10 or 13, so don't worry at all. I'm getting here Android version 12, so I will click on this option 12 time. If your Android version is 11, then you will have to click here 11 time or 10 time or 13 time. So I'm going to click here 12 time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now my first process has been done. After this simply I will go with the back button. Now you can see here there is another option above the software version, that is manual test option. Okay, simply I will click on this, and again a new page will be disappear like this, engineers mode page. But I don't go with any option on this page. Simply I will go with the right slide, and you will have to continue slide your phone until you reach to the option of others. Okay, now you can see here others option has been appeared. You will get 5 type of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a database version which is showing at the 4th number, and you will have to continue click on this option. Like my Android version was 12, so I will click here 12 time. If your Android version was 11 you will click here 11 times, and if your Android version is 10 you will click here 10 times. So I will click on this database version 12 times rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now the second step has been done. Now after this simply you will have to slide your phone left side, and you will have to reach to the option of device debugging option. You can see here you will get an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 1 2 3 4 5 6th and 7th number. Okay, simply you will have to click on this option. Okay, now when you will click on this option, you will get a 2 type of option or 3 option or 4 options. So don't worry at all the option will be showing here operation not started. Okay, simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these option. Okay, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test passed message. Okay, so I'm going to click here. You can see with me, test has been started, test passed, test has been started and test passed. Now you can see here I have told you a single test pass message, but here I am getting double test pass message. It means my work has been done here. Simply I will go with the back button. Okay, now after this again you will have to slide your phone right side, and again you will have to reach to the option of others. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of a read write important log test, read write important log test option at the second number. Okay, simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option you will ask to confirm here, but you don't have to confirm here at the first time. You will have to cancel this option. Okay, this is a technical thing, so you will have to do as it is, as I'm saying you. Okay, so again at the second time you will have to cancel here, third time you will have to cancel here, but at the fourth time when you will click on this, you will have to go with the OK button here. Okay, now your work has been done. Now how will you check? Now after this simply you will have to click here reading reset complete indicator. Simply you will have to click on this, and if you're getting here pass message in green color, it means your phone has been completely unlocked. But if you're getting here fail message, it means you will have to follow all those steps again. Okay, until you get a test passed message. Okay, now after this simply you will have to go with the back button, and you will have to check either your smartphone has been unlocked or not. You may also use a home button of your smartphone to check either your smartphone has been unlocked or not, or you may also go with the back button. So I will go with the back button or home button, maybe both is possible. So simply I will go with the home button. Now you can see here this smartphone is completely unlocked, and all the applications which were downloaded in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone, it means my phone's all the data is saved. So this is very useful tricks for those customers who don't want to lose their smartphone data. Okay, because the data is very most important in these days. Okay, so if your smartphone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do like this video, and if your smartphone is could not unlock with the help of this video, then what can I say? You can comment us. Our team will respond on your comments. Thank you so much.